just 3 days of using cinnamon powder, people will start celebrating you. Now, this video is for those who want to level up in life, who want to move from the level they are right now to a higher level. Okay, if you want promotion, if you want to get a job, okay, if you want to buy a house, if you want to build a house, if you want money, if you want marriage, this recipe is something that you should take serious, because using this cinnamon powder for the 3 days is going to attract something positive. Okay, it's going to attract something positive into your life that will make people to say congratulations to you. If you have not given birth, you can do this recipe. Okay, this recipe is very powerful. It's going to bring something that will make people around you to say congratulations and celebrate you. Okay, so you need to use cinnamon powder for the 3 days. Now I'm going to share with you how you can use cinnamon powder, because you're not going to use only the cinnamon powder. There are a few items that you need to include in it for this recipe to work. Okay, yes, for this recipe to work. So I'm going to share with you the 3 things that you should include for the 3 days, and you will see it coming to pass. Okay, so what you need to do is to get your cinnamon powder. Okay, you need to get cinnamon powder. Now the reason why you need to get this cinnamon powder is because it is going to help attract those things to you. Okay, this cinnamon powder has the power to attract things. Okay, it has the capacity to attract things. When you use cinnamon powder for your spiritual work, it's going to help you attract whatever thing that you want to attract. Okay, so you need to get cinnamon powder. Okay, another item that you need to get is mercy and favor. Okay, water, or you can call it perfume. You need to get mercy and favor water or perfume, anyone you call it. Okay, and you need to get a salt. Okay, you need to get a salt. Now this is a cooking salt. You can as well use sea salt. Okay, you can use sea salt. If you can see this very well, I don't know if you can see it very well. Okay, you can use sea salt or cooking salt. Now these are the 3 items that you need to get. Okay, cinnamon powder, mercy and favor, water, and salt. Okay, now the salt is used to remove any negativities, anything that will block the assignment from coming to pass. Okay, anything that will going to block your request. That is why you need salt. Okay, and also you need this water, mercy and favor. Okay, for you to achieve all those things, you need this. Now how do you do this with these items? First thing that you should do is to get your cinnamon powder. Okay, when you get your cinnamon powder, you pour it inside your palm. Okay, you pour it inside your palm like this. When you pour it inside your palm, you are going to make your request. Pray, say your mind, make your request, tell the universe what you want. Okay, when you make a prayer, you say what you want, what is in your heart. If it is money, if it is promotion, if it is a new job, if it is marriage, if it is child, whatever it is, you make your request. Okay, as you're holding the powder of that cinnamon powder. Now after making your request with the powder of that cinnamon powder, with that cinnamon, sorry, you're going to open the mercy and favor water. Okay, and add the cinnamon inside it. Okay, when you add the cinnamon inside it, the next item that you should add is the salt, a pinch of salt. Okay, a pinch of that salt. You add it. It can be sea salt, it can be cooking salt, just a pinch. You add it inside the mercy and favor water. Now you are going to shake it. Okay, you shake it very well. Now after shaking the water very well, you are going to use it to bathe yourself. Okay, you are going to use the water to bathe yourself for 3 days. The first day you add the water to your bathing water. The second day you add the mixture to your bathing water. The third day you add the mixture to your bathing water. And as you are bathing yourself, that request that you have made with that cinnamon powder that was put in your hand, you start, making that request again, right? You start saying it, you start repeating that request, okay, that you want promotion. That's if you want promotion, or if you want a new job, you start making that request as you are taking this spiritual assignment, that things that will make people to congratulate you will come into your life, that you get that new job, that you get that new, you know apartment, or you get that new, contract, whatever it is that you're asking, that you're requesting for. Okay, you'll be saying it as you are betting yourself. Now, once you have finished betting yourself, don't clean your body, leave your body to dry on its own, then rub your cream. You are going to repeat the process for good 3 days. Okay, and now this process should be done in the morning. Yes, this recipe should be done in the morning, not in the afternoon, not at night. Okay, it should be done in the morning. Okay, now after doing this recipe for the 3 days, you watch and see how this thing is going to bring a powerful testimony into your life. Okay, it's going to attract something positive. When I mean something positive, something that will make people to say congratulations to you. Okay, that you have achieved something. Okay, this is how powerful this recipe is. Okay, I would have mixed this item together for you to see it, but I cannot because I don't know how to hold the two and be shooting the video. You understand? So just get this. Okay, put it in your palm and make your request. After making your request, add it inside the mercy and favor water. Then a pinch of this salt, either sea salt or cooking salt, a pinch inside it. Then shake it and be adding it for the 3 days inside the better water. For the 3 days, make sure that on the last day of the assignment you finish the product. Okay, you finish the mixture, sorry, so that it will not remain. Okay, and you see that your life will upgrade from the level you are right now. Okay, it's going to bring something that will make people to celebrate you. That's the work of this assignment. Okay, so try and carry out this recipe at home. Try and do this recipe by yourself. Don't give it to somebody to do it for you. Okay, and you see that you give testimony of this powerful recipe. Okay, so that's what I want to share with you guys in this video today. If you do not understand any part of the video, please use the comment section. If you have not subscribed to this channel, just hit that subscription button and turn on the notification button so that anytime I drop a new video, you'll be able to see it and you'll learn something that will help your life. Okay, so make sure that you do this if you want to level up from the level you are right now, if you want to upgrade from the level you are right now, if you want something that will come into your life that will make people to say congratulations to you, do this recipe and you will never regret it. Okay, so see you guys in my next video. Bye.